In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to design church flyers like this or this using artificial intelligence in less than 2 minutes. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, let me show you guys how to do it.
So the very first thing you want to do is to head to the site Pinterest, and please note whatever I'm showing you guys right now also applies on the mobile device. If you're using your mobile device like your normal phone, you want to head to either your App Store or Play Store depending on the mobile device you're using, and then you want to search for Pinterest, download, install, and then open up the application just like I'm doing on my PC right now. Next, you want to come to the area where you have the search, and then you want to type in church flyer. Now the idea here is that Pinterest is going to bring out a whole lot of church flyer design templates you can actually select from. All you have to do is to keep scrolling till you find the one that would actually suit your particular purpose of the church flyer. Now let's say I want to go for this particular one over here. I think I like this one. All you want to do next is to click on it. After clicking on it, you want to come here to where you have more actions on the flyer. This is it over here where you have those 3 dots. Now you want to click on this more actions, and then you want to come here to download image. You want to click on it, and then from there your flyer is going to be downloaded to your device. The next thing you want to do after downloading the particular template you love is to go directly to ChatGPT. You want to type in chat.openai.com. Type in this exact way, so it's going to take you directly inside ChatGPT without wasting time. Once you're here inside ChatGPT, what you want to do is to click on this plus icon over here, and then you want to add that particular image you just downloaded from Pinterest. So I'm going to do that right away. So as you guys can see, it's currently uploading on ChatGPT. The next simple thing you want to do is to tell Chat to replace this particular image it's uploading with a particular picture you want to use. It could be your picture, it could be your client's picture, whatever picture you actually want to use. And also you want to tell Chat to change certain text or certain written font styles in the flyer and change the green color to purple. Okay, you just want to tell Chat to do the adjustment, and once you're finally done, tell it to regenerate the flyer, and it's going to generate the exact thing also with the adjustment you made mention of. And if you don't want any adjustment, just simply upload the 2 images, and Chat is going to replace the image with your own image. And same thing applies with several other templates out there. If it's going to be a template that has several pictures of people, same thing applies. You just want to upload as many images of different people to replace the images on the flyer template itself, and then in less than 3 minutes Chat is going to generate this flyer for you to use. And as you guys can see, Chat has generated the exact template, but then with my picture and with the adjustment I told it to do. As you guys can see, we have power field over here, and then whatever adjustment you want, you just want to tell Chat and it's going to generate it for you. And same thing applies to other niches. It's not only the church niche. You can apply this to several other type of flyers out there. It could be a normal cooking flyer, it could be a normal clothing flyer, whatever it might be. Simply download the template from Pinterest over here, head directly to ChatGPT, upload that particular template, and then upload the image you want to replace it with. And also, if you want to change the color, want to change the text, whatever it might be, just tell Chat and Chat is going to generate it for you. And all you have to do after generating is to simply download it by clicking on this icon over here, and then you want to click on download. And yes, in case you want adjustments still made to what Chat has generated, feel free to click on this edit area over here, and then you can describe the type of edit you want, and finally click on this send prompt again. And once you're finally done, you have it downloaded. Now you can start sharing it out there. And in addition to all the adjustments, it's not just about the images or the main title text. You can as well tell Chat to make adjustments to the time, the date, the years, whatever you want. Just type it inside the prompt and Chat is going to make the adjustment. And then the good thing about this is you can actually start rendering services for flyers using this method. You're going to be using low effort, low amount of energy, but then you're going to be getting the work delivered, which is basically what the clients want. They don't care how long it's going to take. All they care about is if you can deliver, and using this method I've showed you guys in this video can actually give you that higher chance to deliver the exact thing your clients want, meaning that you can actually start earning doing this. You can even earn as high as a whole lot of amounts. Let me not really be precise, because it actually depends on how much you want to charge. Now, some of you might want to ask me, how exactly can you get clients? Well, it's quite simple. All you have to do is to go to platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and then you want to go to church communities. There are a whole lot of people out there having events they're actually planning to carry out, and they need people to help them design church flyers. All you have to do is to present yourself on that platform, and then from there you want to showcase some of the works you've done already, like a sample, and you can actually get them to give you their task or job. But then just ensure you're charging something decent. Don't overcharge, and also don't undercharge. Now, this is an example of another thing you can do in terms of this style. Okay, you can download a normal flyer that doesn't even have an image. It just has a normal stock kind of image, just like this one over here. You want to upload it, and then you can just tell Chat to replace it with another stock image. This time I can say I want Chat to replace the image with a female image. So all you have to do is to say something like, okay, replace this guy's image with a lady. Okay, so I can just say replace. Alright, so replace the man's image in the background with a lady, and then enter. And then Chat is basically going to regenerate this flyer with a female in the background this time. And there's so many ways you can even experiment using this flyer designs in ChatGPT. I don't want to believe you guys learned a whole lot in this video. If you surely learned a whole lot and you haven't still subscribed, make sure to subscribe, drop a like on the video, and also feel free to share this video with your friends and family members out there. And I'll see you guys in my next highly informative video. Thanks for watching.